3. Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm going to record a video. I was just looking at the different altcoins and charts. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then altcoins Uniswap and Tesla, the stock. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Jumping into the technicals, my trades are pumping right now, which is beautiful. Bitcoin trade, Bitcoin hitting 106,800. You can see where we bought the dip at 98k. Funding fee positive. Bitcoin trade from 2 days ago, 17k. Ethereum trade 6,700. Now we go into technicals. Bitcoin, I'll just quickly do a quick update on Bitcoin. Just check the price. A little bit green in the market. Bitcoin, we should be having a C wave correction. I don't think it comes below 98. We are around the 200 weekly moving average. Daily still heading up on the stochastic, 4 hourly still heading up, but it looks a little bit extended on the 4 hourly. You can see it's like kind of like reaching. Looks a little bit extended. We're at resistance. You can see there's clear resistance here at the 106, but it looks like it's actually above a resistance. You see it? The resistance was 106,300. Now we're sitting here. We're sitting at around 106,800. So it's going to push through, it looks like. It's trying to break through this resistance. This is a little one. It's not that big of a resistance. You can see here at around 107K, there's a few lines of resistance here, but it's pushing against it right now. So I think this C wave is already done. I think we could have got this could be considered the ABC correction. Now we're in the new impulse on Elliott wave count, so we watch it, but I'm long currently on Bitcoin, and it looks like a bull flag on the weekly. Bull market top September 2025 has been my prediction for the last year or so. Also, Uniswap looks like it's pumping. We bought Uniswap on the dip as well. You can see it touched $4.60. It was oversold. Weekly, it's heading up. Volume, it's heading up. On the daily, it's also pushing up. You can see it just pushed above $7, which is breaking a resistance. And you can see it's coiling up. Who sees it? Who's my students that's taken the course? Looks like it's coiling up. Volume is growing. Stochastic is heading up. Volume is growing. Stochastic is heading up. So I do think Uni is going to pump. 4 hourly, we're at a little bit of a resistance. 200 moving average, you can see. I always like to buy on the 200 or a spike underneath the 200 moving average. So you can see there's a strong support at $5.80, and you can see that there's a support forming here at $6.40. So those would be buy areas. And then we have the extreme low, which is $4.70. So $6.45.80, and you can see here I bought some Uniswap on that dip. 28k, it's up 2%. We bought it since we bought it, we got it at $5.90, so up 15% in 2 or 3 days. 23rd, and now we're at the 25th. So in 2 days we're up 15%. So where would I set buy orders? I had buy orders for Uni at $4.60. I would also, if we get a pullback, I would try to catch some here, $6.30. Let's add another 10,000 to Uni at $6.30. That order is now set. On Bybit, you learned how in the crypto master course. And then I wanted to show Tesla. Tesla is down 2% yesterday. On the daily, you can see that it pushed out up. We were up around 67, but it pulled back a little bit. So now, since we bought the bottom at 222 in April, we're up 59%. You can see the 200 moving, the yellow line, 200 weekly moving average. So the good buy areas would be on this support, 269. Does look like it's coiling up, and the stochastic heading up. On the daily, the stochastic though is overbought. Squeeze mob is just starting to go green. On the 4 hourly, no major pattern. There's just this channel, this trend line. You can see the trend is your friend. It's climbing this trend line. Resistance comes at 416. There's also a resistance. It bounced off this resistance at 364. Which is beautiful. I'm staying long in Tesla as well. Join everyone in the Telegram. There's 851 of you online. 851 discussing, talking about trades, showing trades, demo, trade with real account. Make sure you use small amount of capital. Learn, take the courses before you start. Demo account also. This guy got wrecked. 87,000 short. Never short Bitcoin or Ethereum in a bull market. Not smart. Don't short. I never like to short in the bull market. The trend is your friend. Polymarket set for $200 million raise at $1 billion valuation. You can join the Telegram and see everyone chatting. And this video from this morning, 8 out of 10, 2,500 views on YouTube. And let's read some of the comments. James, you're an intelligent, funny, good man. Thank you. Please tell us about Cardano. If there's more requests, shave your hair at Bitcoin. No, at 135K. Not even if you paid me 10 million. A billion and I wouldn't shave. Guru, your hair is pumping the markets. That's why. Do you think we're going to chop this summer? I see parallel range on daily. I think we're going to be pumping. I think they're trying to repress the markets now. If you followed my strategy before, that they pump it into the midterm so everyone votes them in again. Please cut your hair, James. No. Someone serious beardology in this one. The beard wise men, you know, they all had beards. The 3 wise men, 3 bearded guys. You're an absolute legend. Love the info. Keep up the good work. Thank you very much, Buford Wood. Your trades are off the hook. Thanks, James. Good morning. Yeah, amazing. Great trades, everyone. From just 2 days ago, these trades are all pumping. The Uni, the Ethereum, the Bitcoin trades. Very good. It's Krusty the Clown. Just kidding. You're the crypto guru. Much love. Thank you very much, Infinite. Love you guys all too. Inverse head and shoulder pattern on Bitcoin. Albert Einstein checking in. Smart buy orders. Your hair looks mysterious. Thank you. Amazing comments, everyone. And over on X as well, you can follow me there. 108,000. I'm going to pick the winner. So, okay, this is what happened. I picked the winner yesterday. I picked the winner, Prince. Sorry, where is he? I'm going to show you what happened. So I picked the winner of the iPhone. And you can see here in that video yesterday, I picked the winner. I picked Prince. Then people said, he said, thank you. Then said, finally, they're saying that he was scamming. He stole the screenshot. And I asked, do you have proof of this? And they showed me the proof of that he took this guy's Neek screenshot. That's proof. Prince, you can see here, this post was on the 16th of the 6th from Neek. And he said that it was his trade and Prince showed his trade. And then I checked and you can see that Prince actually did show his trade, same number. And he showed it on the 1 day ago. And this trade is actually from the 16th of the 6th. Then I asked, should I give Neek the prize or pick another winner? That's proof. Prince, you fucked up, lost an iPhone, replace pick winner in my next video. I should have given it to Neek, who was the original screenshot. Then people started saying that Neek put this video asking for the phone. Then people started saying Neek didn't do the trade before the deadline. It was before the competition. Pick a new winner. 72% of you said pick a new winner. There was 134 votes. So I'm going to go by that. Prince, you should have made a real trade and not stole someone else's trade, and you would have won an iPhone 16 ready. So I loaded them all before, and there's hundreds of them. And this time I'm going to pick it based off who I see supporting me, not just the, okay, there's 188 of you ready. And the winner is Mfoy. I've been supporting you for a long time. Hope you're all like your mindset. Hope this time I finally win. UID and check his trade, but then again can be the same. If I pick this guy, who could just say the same again. 111 Bitcoin trade. It doesn't say the date it was opened. He deposited, he did the competition. This is difficult, but okay, according to Imurphy, he wins. But this is getting annoying, guys. We need to figure out if you can think of a better way that I can give out these competitions. Phone 16, team will check completed steps. Thank you for supporting. Let's see. This is annoying a little bit now to do this. I don't know what happens if now they go, oh, this guy's cheating and he wasn't the real screenshots. Anyone, if you have a solution to this, let me know, because this is slightly annoying me now. And I just want to give gifts to people, help people achieve stuff. Bybit 60K link, Weex $200 bonus, jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. All the links are underneath the video. Congratulations. He kind of ruins the vibe of the prize, right? Murphy, congratulations on the iPhone. Hopefully you win. The team will check that the trade is real and the UID. And we need a better system to pick winners, because this is slightly annoying. 850 of you on Telegram. Let me know in the Telegram as well what you guys think about how to give out these prizes. Congratulations, Imurphy, who just won it. Prince, you shouldn't have copied that trade. And congratulations on our trades. That's my updates in the market. Just add more order for Uni, holding Tesla, holding Bitcoin, holding Ethereum trade, and Ton trade. I might keep adding on to Uni more, so follow me on X. I'm going to build a trade in Uni, Ton, World, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla, Nvidia, which I already bought those, Google. That's the main trades. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.